YouTube? It's your boy Cool Kicks. We are back for another video. It's dumping outside. Nike Clarita store. Let's go see what's up. These meteorologists, these fools said light rain. This ain't no light rain, fools. All right, let's go. Let's go get it. Of course, soon as we come in, gotta check out the heat card. I already see groups of resellers just chilling and camping. One pair of Jordan 1s up top. Then a couple Jordan lows and dunks on the bottom. I think actually they're mids. Yeah, that's about it, dude. Alright, nothing in the heat cart. Unfortunately, I did talk to a couple people. It looks like they did restock a couple times already. And it's what? Almost one. Alright, let's look at the 10 and a half. Saw that, I was like, is that the Jaritas? No, it's not. The Nike BRSBs going for $40. Some iShod wears. Pretty dope colorway. Pretty dope. Going for 50 bucks. Mortality 2's going for 40. The Zoom Freak 4's going for 60. Center cords, haven't seen those here in a while. 75 for those. Infinities, the Kyrie Infinities going for $60. Air Max 2090's going for 80. Air Max 90 Futuras. I like the shape's a little different than the regular Air Max 90s. I do like the colorway though. I do like that. It's going for $70. 10.5 Blazers, the SB Blazers, going for $50. These are a Blazer Plus, mid plus, like seems a little higher, kind of like the platforms. And the Nike sign's a little different. Oh, okay. This is interesting. 50 bucks for these. Another Blazer mid, like a brown with red on it, with Adobe for 40. More of these Kyrie. These are Team Banks, though, going for 60. Tempo Next Percent flying it. New colorway I haven't seen here, 100 bucks. Another one of these center cords going for $60. ADG 4 Golfs going for $80. Zoom Freak 3's going for 60. Black and white colorway is pretty dope. Blazer cords. Mids, these are the canvas Blazers, not too shabby at 40. Air Force One for $50. Air Force One for 50 bucks. That's a hell of a deal. These are size 10.5, and these are, it's got that tumbled leather, that slightly better leather. That's not a craft though. Not a craft. The craft ones are so much better. But yeah, 50 bucks. 11s, Air Max Flyknit Racers go for 60. 2090s, Air Max 2090s go for 80. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s go for $80. Seen those cheaper. More of these Kyries go for 60. 11.5 PG 5s go for 50 bucks. Haven't seen these in a while. 12 LeBron Witness 5s go for $40. 60 for this Midnight Navy colorway. Not too shabby. I was like, I see elephant print. More of these ADG 4 Golfs go for 80. Size 12s. These are dope, dude. These are dope. I am a fan of these. I'm just not digging the blue, the navy one. I kind of wish I did get the gold ones. These are fire. These are fire. These are what, size 13 right here. SB Shane's right here. Doing some restocks. You see all the resellers right next to the workers when they do restocks. Back to the 13 series 0.05s. Tempo Next Percent Flyknit's 100 bucks. That's a clean colorway. Can't go wrong with that one. 13.5 KD 14. $70. That is such a great deal. Wow. Vaporfly Next Percent size 14 go for 100 bucks. Delta 3s, Delta 3 mids going for 70. Infinity Run Flyknit 3s going for 80. I think that's about it for the bigger sizes. Checking out the smaller size now. Do got some Air Max 90 Gore-Tex going for $80. Yeah, the material, not bad. Material is hella nice on this. They did have my size. Maybe. It's an interesting little green hit on the back. Okay, good. Midsole is, the insole right there is green as well. $80, that's a deal. Jordan System 23s These are the croc looking things. Has a lining as well. Go for $50. More of the SB eyeshadow wears. Checking out the 8.5. They got Westbrook Take Ones going for 50. Down to the 8s GT cut. I'm sorry, GT Zoom GT cut 2s going for $80. Okay. Prestos going for 70 right next to that. Air Max 2090s. The dope Air Max 90 colorway going for $70. All right, there are crazy number of campers here, pretty much staying here all day. Yeah, you guys need to come more often. You need to come more often. Try to fight the camping. Do you got Westbrook jerseys? Damn, I kind of wanted one too, but he's no longer with the team. Bunch of smalls, going for $40. And damn, just oh, okay, they do have large. They got a couple of sizes. $40, not too bad. You did get an extra 20% off too. Didn't even see that sign, but yeah, 20% off was $32. Thing is, all the apparel 20% off. Holy cow! Dude, the LA Jumpman shirts. I do love this shirt right here. What's this going for? $15. You get another 20% off. Maybe I should buy a second one just to have. I love this shirt. I really do like that shirt. Maybe I might get another one. I don't think I've ever doubled up on shirts, but the current one that I have, it'll wear out eventually and then fade out and stuff. So maybe. Blank Padres jersey XL going for $50. LeBron long sleeve shirt going for $20, normally $45. Yeah, I'm not a fan of these, but Golden State, if you are a fan, $15. Remember, you get an extra 20. You get an extra what? You get an extra discount, 20% off on top. I don't know why I can't talk. The MLB All-Star game from last year, that's $15. Got the white one as well. This is only a small though. Dang it, no mediums. They do have a bunch of these racks that say 20% off. Finding more random stuff. They got Aaron Donald jerseys going for $60. These are larges. If you want a shirt that says Freak on it, you can grab these for $15. This is double XL though. Stafford jerseys go for $60. That's a small right there. There are more of them. Yeah, okay, we got additional size right here. This is got large right here, small, large. Okay. Another one right here, another rack. They got a ton of these racks, by the way. And it seems like they got a bunch of these Westbrook jerseys, different sizes. San Antonio blank jersey go for $40. The Ray Gun jersey, this is a Vince Carter Ray Gun jersey. Yeah, it's a Vince Carter one, go for $60 or $40, my bad. And a Warriors, like a practice type of jersey. These are $25, normally $58. All right, I think that's pretty much about it. The camping is getting ridiculous. You guys, like, everybody needs to show up here more. The campers are kind of running out the regular folks. Everybody needs to come more often. Just come at random times. Just come in the afternoon, come in the morning. Just come, because, yeah, this place is getting nuts. I swear to God, like, half the people here are just camping right now. So you guys definitely need to come. I wasn't here for more than 20 minutes, maybe 30. But yeah, I think we're gonna wrap it up. Damn, I want to get this, but I don't have time. There's a line right there. I need to go. Shoot, I need to go get my kid, and then, I'll be back in a couple days. Hopefully those shirts are still there. Have y'all seen when CHB closes the entire freeway? Have y'all seen this up close? I feel like I've seen this so many times. Probably looking for something. Usually when people report that there's something on the freeway, usually they close the entire freeway. Sometimes they just look and they don't find anything and they just move on. they're slow in traffic because my man's picking up stuff right here. Wow, okay. Okay. So the dude picked up stuff right there. And then I guess there's more and more. This Mustang's pissing me off right here, dude. Why'd you have to get in front of me? I guess. Why'd you have to get in front of me, man?